Because again, if you have children, this is a great place to take them first, to wear them out and then take them on the battleship, because they won't be running around on the battleship. They'll run around in here. And I've been informed that by this young lady over here that there's a playground over there that you can wear them out in prior to going to the battleship. So look at that, it's cool. Oh, look at that. There's seahorses in here. Look at that. Let's see if we can find them. Let's see him. Oh, yeah, there he is. Way in the back there. See him way back there? There he is. Very cool. Big old jellyfish. There's lots of reflections there. I'm sorry about that, but look at that guy. He's cool. Very, very cool stuff. This looks like Okinawa with the bleached coral, but it is a riverbed. Interesting.
Is processed and stored so that we can get it off the ship as soon as possible without any kind of.
So this is a shorter tour. This looks like conservationist kind of stuff, which is great. We do have to protect our environment for sure.
As a Navy sonar tech, you are conducting a surveillance and security patrol in the North Atlantic Ocean. Intelligence reports indicate that an enemy sub being tracked is now missing and remains unlocated. The sub is assessed to be within your area and may be considered a threat to your operation. Your mission: search, detect, and prosecute the enemy submarine. Use of active sonar and weapons release is authorized. Good hunting. Sonar, remember your training. Search the surrounding area using the passive sonar panel below. Respond quickly when prompted. Press Start Passive Sonar button to begin. Sonar, this is the captain. Report all sonar contacts.
Captain, sonar detects no contacts.
Sonar, continue passive search. Intel reports an unlocated submarine in our vicinity. Report any possible contacts immediately. Sonar, this is the captain. Report all sonar contacts.
Captain, sonar detects no contacts.
Sonar, I am getting nervous. Go active and report all active contacts.
I think I just died. Matter of fact, I'm pretty sure I just killed the whole ship. That's very depressing. Yeah. I got yelled at by the captain too. That wasn't fun. Look at this thing. Is it really crush? That's cool. Nice. All right, so I'm not quite sure where we're going, but it's definitely something cool. I don't know, this looks like some kind of balance game. More activities over here. I think the movie's gonna be right here. Oh, no, there's a theater right over there. We're gonna go see the movie in a few minutes. Okay, I know I'm kind of buzzing through here, but I'm not a kid, so. Oh, this looks like fun. Check this out, low waves. Okay, so we're gonna go to medium waves. And high waves. Very cool. Oh, look at that bug. Okay, so this says place and open. That's so cool. Civil War secret agent. Okay, it says place, book, and open.